It's so easy to settle into a rut as an artist. You find something that works, you start getting decent results, and before long, that becomes your thing. Whenever I feel myself getting too comfortable in the studio, I immediately try to switch something up. That's what I will share in this video. And sometimes even a small change can completely change the energy of the work. So with this painting, I decided to approach the first wash differently than I normally would. I'm basically treating everything as a block of color. A little bit of blue for the sky, some reds for the barn, a little bit of green for the ground plane. And I'm allowing those blocks of colors and washes to mingle. I will even encourage it to do so. And honestly, that's how I try to approach watercolor in general. I don't really paint landscapes with watercolor. I use watercolor to explore. Every painting is an exploration. Once that first wash has dried, all those reds, greens, blues turned into blobs of color with soft edges. Perfect. Because now I have something unfamiliar to respond to. Now the painting becomes a problem solving exercise instead of a formula. That's where creativity starts to enter the picture. So once everything dried, I came back in and started carving out the light and shadows, especially around the barn. And little by little, these loose shapes started turning into form. That's the balance I'm always chasing. Structure mixed with uncertainty. Because when every painting becomes too predictable, growth usually slows down. Now, sure, you can always go back to what was working before, but every time you experiment like this, you're teaching yourself new ways to see and respond, consciously or subconsciously. And over time, that changes the work in a big way. So once the larger forms and shadows were in place, it was really just about simplifying the remaining shapes, adding a few accents, and knowing when to stop. Anyway, just something to think about the next time you paint. Somewhere between chaos and control, the painting starts to breathe. Follow for more.